Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to feature some of the gifts that I received from my loved ones for Christmas. Now they're going to be Pandora gifts because, well, this is primarily a Pandora channel, so stay tuned and check out what I got for Christmas. The one gift that I knew I would be getting from my sister was the gift with purchase firework bangle. This is probably one of my favorite bangle clasps. It's so beautiful how this firework clasp just sparkles on one side. The other side is more just like a silver beaded detail, but you still get that firework element to it. It's kind of nice to have two options of do you want one that's just more plain silver or do you want the side that sparkles? And I, of course, since I do like the sparkle, will more than likely always have this sparkle clasp up. I'm really debating whether or not I'm going to be putting any charms on this. I just love this part right here. While my sister ended up giving this to me, it was kind of a joint effort. My mom went the first day to make sure she could get me one in a size 18. My sister got one later, they traded it, and so it's still a gift from my sister, but my mom, she knew how much I wanted it, and she ran to the store the first day it was available when it opened to make sure they didn't run out. And then, you know, everybody has pretty much seen this bracelet, but it also has the inscription. Right, there we go, you can see it pretty well. The best is yet to come. Continuing with charms from my sister, she got me this wonderful love button charm. It's got a soft pink enamel, it's almost a peachy color, and some CZ details around the side. The sides of these are really sparkly and pretty with just CZ details around the side as well. And it's double-sided, so you have that little heart on both sides. This charm is really pretty, and I have an idea of what I want to do with this kind of peach pink enamel, kind of inspired by the rose garden clips that I got, so really excited to put this design together. I just love, love, love the Shining Elegance clips that Pandora has. They're clips that have silicone lining, which go really well with bangles, mesh bracelets, or the smooth bracelets that don't have the clip stations. And I got these in Pandora Rose with the clear CZ. Feel like I can never quite have too many clip options. Moving on to the charms that I got from my mom and my dad. I got the beaded heart charm in Pandora Rose. Love how this has that open work in the middle. It's just an open see-through look of the heart, and then the tiny little beads that go all around to make the heart detail. I just love this charm. I think it's really pretty and really simple and really elegant at the same time. They also gave it to me in silver. See the little beaded detail there. I already have a pretty good idea of where this design is going to go. I'm working on a like white and silver theme bracelet, so I'm pretty sure that is what I'll be using this for. I was already playing around with designs, but wanted to get these recorded before I really committed to making my bracelets. Also from my parents is this dangle. It is the perfect Christmas dangle. The white theme bracelet that I was just talking about, this will likely go on there too. And it'll be a year-round bracelet, so just because it's Christmas, I want to be able to enjoy a lot of my Christmas charms year-round, so I'm trying to think of what can I do, what designs can I put in place, so that way I can enjoy that. But this charm just has a cute little reindeer and a snowman and a Christmas tree covered in snow. These little CZs, I assume, are to represent like snow falling. And then you have, you know, snow on the ground, of course. And on the bail, you also have a CZ on the bail as well. Same CZ and almost star cutout is on the back. Now for this charm, it's the inscription that makes this charm the absolute sweetest. So here it says, "It's not what's under the tree that matters." Just such a sweet inscription. I absolutely love that. But then, bonus, I didn't even know that this had an additional inscription in the back. And the message here says, "It's who's gathered around it," and then has that tiny little snowflake on the bottom. So cute. Like, I already loved this charm before I even knew that that was on the back. So surprising when I saw that. It took me actually a couple days to realize, I just noticed today, that that was on there. So love this charm from my parents. And then the final one that I got from my parents is the Always By Your Side dangle, which is perfect for parents who support you through everything. This is one that came out with the fall that has a lot of the grain detail, has the little mouse and the bird kind of hanging out, couple little CZs in there that look to be red, and then you have a little bit of purple enamel, you have a clear CZ on the bail, and they're like little friends, which I just think is so cute. And then of course the Always By My Side inscription on the inside of this. The back of this dangle is just plain, such a perfect charm from parents to their daughter. The next two charms are gifts from my boyfriend, and I got the intertwining radiance charm with the clear CZ crystal in the middle. And this one is just really pretty. It reminds me of the the nature ones that kind of are similar to this, but this one is just the like silver bead, so it doesn't necessarily have like a nature undertone to it. Makes it a little bit more versatile. I think it's so pretty. It's also going to be going on the white and silver bracelet idea that I have in mind. The crystal in there, if you can tell, has the facet cutouts. You guys know how crazy I am about those facets. You could see how they just kind of sparkle if the light hits it the perfect way. And then this charm that I got from him is the Sparkling Love charm with the blue crystal in the middle. He doesn't even know that I'm trying to redo my blue bracelet, so this is going to look beautiful on there. This one has clear CZs around the heart there as well, and I just love the big chunk of silver that goes around it. It's like a nice thick charm. So I think this one is beautiful. So there you have it. Those are the gifts that I received. I love them all. It is so hard to pick a favorite because they are all so wonderful and so thoughtful, and thank you so very much to my gift givers. I can't wait to start designing with them. I actually already started to, so have my, actually I have 3 on this bracelet alone, which will probably feature in an upcoming video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For the comments, let me know if you received any Pandora for Christmas, and if so, what did you get? And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.